Hello guys, it's Sam here. Today I'm going to be talking about Canoo GOEV. Lately I've been doing a couple of videos on this company and the reasons why. Today I'm going to do a video comparing why I think Canoo is so undervalued. I'm going to show you proof on why I think that and then my thesis beyond that and why I actually invest in the company. And I'm going to compare them to other companies and see, where they are, where the other companies are. Obviously, there's companies I've got in here like Tesla. Tesla is way further down the line of Canoo. Tesla's a soft like it is a better company than Canoo as of today. They've got revenue coming in and stuff like that. But I'm just not going to talk about today's valuations. I'm going to talk about future valuations and why I feel like Canoo is undervalued. I'm going to also talk about companies that I feel like are in the same position as Canoo, but for some reason have higher market valuations than Canoo. We're talking 10 times more, 5 to 10, 15 times more, some of them. But anyway, yeah, so Canoo, I've been an investor in this company now um, for quite a while now. It is my long-term investment. It is a much more riskier investment, but I feel like that there's more upside to this than there is downside. Um, it could really be a massive, type of investment for myself and really change the game, but it will be a long-term investment. It will take time. This company don't have their first vehicle coming out until 2022 Q4, which obviously is more than a year from now, a year and a while, a year and a couple months, I guess. But that's just the start for the company. We're talking, this ain't just one vehicle. They're bringing out multiple vehicles. Um, um, yeah, they're bringing out multiple vehicles. They do, as you can see here. These are just the standard ones. You've got the lifestyle vehicle, the sports car vehicle that hasn't been released yet. They haven't announced that they're going to bring this out, but we should be getting some information on this in the near future. We have the um, the truck, the Canoo truck. Um, yeah, that should be coming out 2023, I believe, and then no, 2025 or 2023. I'm not too sure. I think that's 2025 that comes out. And then we have the multi-purpose delivery van Canoo's doing, which I think is a great truck. Delivery van. Sorry. I'm trying to see if I can get any. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the vehicle they have. This comes out in 2023, as I believe. Obviously, they have a lot of contract opportunities to get and stuff like that. So they have a vision as of for now. This company has a wild vision. They have the 2022 car coming out. We have the pickup truck. Sorry, that's what the word was I was looking for. The pickup truck. They have the delivery van, and then they have the sports vehicle, which I think is probably the best vehicle out of all of them. Which obviously right now, as of today, hasn't been shown to us. And I feel like the whole way they're going about it. I could talk about Canoo all day, but obviously I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet because I have other companies to go through, and I'm going to compare them to Canoo. Um, but the whole way they're set out and stuff like that, obviously, when they first came onto the market, we were being told that they were going to do a rental service, which I didn't agree with. And I said to myself, like, don't get me wrong, I'm only investing in this because of the product itself, like the car, the design, the way they market themselves, the logo, the brand, the core brand of Canoo. It's a bit like Tesla. I feel like it will be a bit like Tesla in the near future, further down the line, sorry. It will take some time. It's a long-term investment for myself, but we're talking 10, 20, 30 upside, possibly even more. But yeah, that what I'm just talking about for today. The reason why I'm investing is because the product, the marketing, the brand itself, and they actually have a long-term plan as a company to bring out multiple vehicles, not just one or two. We're talking three, four vehicles down the line. So this is a 10-year project plan as of for now. Um, for now, all we can focus on is that Q4 2022 lifestyle vehicle, which is the first one, and then we can go from there. But as of for now, I'm just going to keep buying shares, and as long as nothing changes and we keep on heating up, reaching our targets, I'll be happy with that. But yeah, their business model as itself, I'm very happy with the management team and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm quite happy with at the moment. I just feel like a lot of investors don't understand the model itself. Um, I can understand it is a bit of a futuristic look and stuff like that. It will take time for people to adopt to it. A bit like Tesla, I believe. I feel like when they first came out with their vehicle, it took time for people to adopt to it, but when they did, they did, and a lot of people do like Teslas now. I personally wouldn't buy myself a Tesla. I just feel like they're a bit too much for the price, but I can understand why people would. If you have the money, I don't see why not. So yeah, let me talk about Tesla first. This is a 700 billion market cap as of today. They're bringing good revenue numbers. I do think Tesla is overvalued, but if Canoo as itself could get itself to um, even a 20 billion market cap, um, that would be a really good investment for an investor as itself. Yeah, so as of today, it's 1.78 billion. If it could even get to 20 billion, that would be a massive investment, a massive profit you could make. Um, so yeah, you're getting into a company right now if you're investing in an early startup company. So this is a massive market opportunity for Canoo if you want to compare them to Tesla. But Tesla is further down the line. They've been in the game now for multiple years. So I can't really compare them to Tesla, but I'm just showing you the market opportunity, what we could reach in the future possibly. Fisker, this is another company. They only have one vehicle. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't even know if they've released this vehicle, but they're 4 billion market cap as of today. I don't see why Canoo can't be at that type of level. Um, Canoo actually have a 10-year to 7-year project plan. Where Fisker, all I know is that they have this vehicle, this one here, which is a really nice vehicle. I would personally buy that if I had the money, but it's only one vehicle at the end of the day, guys. So we're talking a 5-year project plan. We're not talking any further down the line. What's the plan? What's the next product going to be? Yeah, obviously Lordstown, very sticky type of situation they're in right now. With obviously there's been news coming out that they don't know if they're going to have enough funds to make things happen. So you know, it is hard for a startup company. Canoo could be in the same type of position, but as we've been told, their financials and stuff like that, they have enough money to get them through to Q4 2022 for their first lifestyle vehicle release. So everything seems good there, but I'm just trying to show you guys that Canoo could possibly get themselves into this situation if things don't go to plan. Um, I'm just trying to show you the good sides to it and the bad side. Obviously, you should use Lordstown as experience to know that we could go down this road possibly. I highly doubt so, but it definitely could happen. Now, Lucid Motors. Now, this one here just baffles me. A 35 billion market cap. They don't have a car on the road. Um, they only have one car that they're looking to bring out, which is here. I don't know how much they're trying to sell this car for. I haven't gone into that much detail. Very nice car, but I mean, other than that, guys, we just have one car that's looking to be released, and I don't even know when it's going to be released. Um, I haven't looked into too much detail for it, but I just feel like very overvalued as of today. I wouldn't be surprised if this could go down to a 7 to 15 billion market cap. I know that's a bit of a mad thing to say, but that's what I think. I feel like, how can Canoo, a, a company that bring out decent type of, um, they have a decent type of aesthetic look to them. Obviously, it's quite futuristic, but I wouldn't say that's any different from this vehicle here. This is very futuristic, it's very different. Don't get me wrong, it's aesthetically really nice, but there's companies like BMW that's been in the game for a long, long time that ain't it's a 50 billion market cap. Look how long BMW been in the game for, and you want to say that Lucid Motor doesn't even have a product on the road. And this is what I'm trying to get to you guys. You have companies like BMW that's only a 50 billion market cap, but there's a company called Lucid Motors that hasn't even brought out a product to the road yet, that is a 35 billion market cap. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is what you have to compare your companies to. You need to understand this. That's why I'm obviously doing this video today. I'm showing you that there are companies out there that are overvalued, and I'm showing you, I'm just trying to show you, that don't believe in all the hype that everyone's going through right now. Canoo as one, I think is undervalued, but that's my fault. That's my thesis. I'm allowed to have that thought. You're allowed to have your thoughts. Um, but yeah, I think Lucid Motors is definitely an overvalued company. So if any investors, they're obviously, I haven't done much due diligence on the company itself. So I couldn't. There's probably stuff that I've missed out that are really positives to the company, but I just think the market cap valuation is just too overvalued. Um, yeah, Neo. Now Neo, obviously 62 billion. They have, they're doing quite well in China, but there is some problems right now with investing with companies that are in China, listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So I wouldn't invest in this, but you know, I think it's a great company. I just feel like it's overvalued. Personally, I won't lie to you. It doesn't make any sense. But I mean, I was invested in this about a year ago when I first got into the market. I wish I would have held my shares, but you know, we do what we do. We make mistakes. I'm new to investing. Uh, yeah, sometimes when you first start out, you make erratic decisions, and yeah, I did. I wish I would have thought of long term, but you know, it is what it is. We live and learn, and that's obviously an investment that I wish I would have kept. But oh well, it is what it is at the end of the day. But that's just my little thoughts on Canoo. What I just don't understand why it's so undervalued. Um, it's just going to be a waiting game. I feel like as time goes on, maybe some swing traders might jump on the stock before the Q4 2022 release of the lifestyle vehicle. Uh, yeah, I mean, Canoo, I don't understand why I understand there's a lot of risk in them, but I feel like after the Q4 2022, we get our first earnings. I don't think that the revenue numbers will be massive. There will be a lot of debt that Canoo have to hold out for the next couple of years. But at the end of the day, guys, these guys have a plan, a 5 to 10 year plan with what they're looking to do, what cars they're trying to release out. They're bringing out all different type of models of cars, pickup trucks, delivery vans, standard sports cars, and yeah, they're very futuristic. They are very different, but I feel like it will take time for people to adopt to that. And when they see them on the road, they'll probably, probably maybe think about buying one. Um, I'll show you their website. It's very that the way they market themselves and advertise their brand is very impressive. Um, very very modern. But other than that, guys, I just thought I'd give you a little couple reasons for why I'm invested. You probably, if you watch my videos on Canoo, you probably know why I'm invested in this company. But yeah, um, I mean, look, guys, it is a nice vehicle. In my opinion, I think it's a nice vehicle. Um, it's at a decent price as well, not too expensive. I mean, there's some cars that Tesla's bringing out. It's like 75,000 starting price, $75,000. You know, I'd rather go for a car like this, in my opinion. But you know, it is what it is. Let the market decide for itself. End of the day, we'll find out in the long term what happens. Um, it'll either be a learning curve or be a great success for myself. We'll see. Other than that, guys, please let me know your thoughts on Canoo, the company, the brand, the stock, what's going on. Other than that, guys, please like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.